Jai Hind friends and welcome back to yet another video on Auto DNA. I'm your host Rishabh Rajesh and in this video we are going to tell you about the Mahindra Thar 2020. It's not a review, but yes, I'm going to give you all the details like its color options, engine options, estimated prices, launch date and much more. So it's a very interesting video, so please stay till the end. I'm Rishabh Rajesh. Let's start with this video. Talking about design and looks, the front end of the Mahindra Thar has been inspired quite a bit from the Jeep Wrangler in terms of the 7-slat grille, the round LED headlamps, and also let me tell you about the bumper. The bumper is a traditional Mahindra bumper which looks so aggressive and sporty. From the side we get 255/65 R18 alloy wheels which are smoked grey finished ones. On the Spy variants also we had seen this in real life also. It's the same alloy wheels because somewhere or the other, even the Sonnet, the testing alloys were different and the not the concept, the production spec version alloys were different, so something of that sort. And this somewhere resembles to me as the Mahindra Scorpios, the current Mahindra Scorpios alloy design. Also talking about the overall look of the car, it has a boxy look. It's a traditional boxy look from Mahindra because almost all cars of Mahindra have this traditional boxy look like the KUV 100, the TUV 300, even the Bolero and now even the Thar. So all of them are like that. So there will be two variants on offer in this car, which will be the AX variant and the LX variant. AX variant is for the adventure seekers and LX is for the lifestyle variants. Let me tell you what all are the differences. In the AX variant, which is the adventure seeker variant, in that you will be getting bull bars, you will be getting bigger alloy wheels, the width of the tires will be more, there will be a semi-floating suspension so that even when you go on off-roads, even if the tire lifts up, there will be no rollover of the car. It will manage it quite well. Then there will be traction control modes as well as with the 4WD and the 2x4 you will also get the feature. Now talking about the rear styling has also changed quite a bit. There are rectangular shaped LED tail lamps, then there will be the spare tire at the back, then there will be an opening gate through which you can access the second row of the seats. There will be no third row in this car, there will be only 2 rows in this car. You must be thinking of the size that it is like that, but no, there are only 2 rows of seating. So now let's see what all we have stored in the interior. Then we will talk about the dimensions, then we will talk about the engine options, and in the end we will be talking about the estimated pricing, and after that the main thing, the colors. So everything will be covered in this video. So let's move on to the dimensions. So when we talk about the dimensions of the Thar, the length of the Thar is 3920 millimeters, width of the car is 1726 millimeters, height is 1930 millimeters, wheel size as I told you is 255/65 R18 and the ground clearance is 226 Nm. So it's quite a big car, it's quite a bulky, a boxy and a very good looking car. So now let's see what we have in store in the interior of the car. When we step inside the Thar, the first thing we'll see in the new Thar is that it gets an all-new dashboard with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which replaces the older one's fountain type, design. Now it's a more, very traditional design from Mahindra, and I expected that it might get the floating touchscreen kind of system. But yes, somewhere or the other, my theory says that if it's an off-roading car, I feel that when we are going on off-roads, it should not be a floating touchscreen. But yes, this also looks nice. It's a 7-inch touchscreen which offers Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and mirroring connectivity. There will be a all functional steering wheel and it will be an electric steering wheel. Let me also tell you that this steering wheel has been taken from the KUV 100 because the KUV 100's steering wheel has a big Mahindra logo, so it's something of that sort. Then we have a multi-information display on offer, which is the MID. Apart from that, there will be the same gear. There will be no 2 gears like the older one. In the same one, there is a knob to do the drive modes and setting all the drive modes, and also the you understand, and also the other gear is for the 4WD and the 2WD and all of that stuff. Like if you are driving in the cities or highways, then you don't need 4WD. But if you're going on off-roads, on muddy surfaces, on hills, then 4WD will be of complete use. Then there will be leather seats on offer, and there will be no ventilated seats or stuff like that. There will be a front armrest as well. In the rear, we will be getting again armrest as well, and it will be decently spaced, means you will not get much of space. Actually, Thar originally was made for 2 people to sit, but then eventually, of course, there were 4 seats, but yes, it was considered that that only 2 people should sit in the car, so that off-roading can be easy. But still, Mahindra thought that there should be again 4 seats. Also, let me tell you that before, the older Mahindra Thar only had option of a removable roof, but now there's a hard top roof as well, especially for the off-roading people who want that the roof should be covered and everything should be safe and sound. For them, the hard top roof is perfect. Now let's talk about the engine options. Talking about engine options, there will be a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a 2.2-liter diesel engine, and both cars, both engines will give a good amount of performance and good amount of thrust from the car, so that you can easily go on hills and muddy areas, so that you never lose traction or you never lose the power and speed. Now let's talk about the estimated prices, and then about the colors, and then the final verdict. Talking about prices, the Mahindra Thar is expected to be priced from around 10 to 14 lakhs. Rivals of this car will be the Force Gurkha, the Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wrangler is a little expensive, but still in terms of size it can be considered. And in that same price we have the Kia Seltos and the Hyundai Creta. But of course, we cannot compare their cars on the terms of features and quality, fit and finish, because Kia and Hyundai are doing a wonderful job with this. So, in terms of pricing it can be compared, but in terms of features and all, it can never be compared. Also, talking about the launch date, the Mahindra Thar will be launched on October 2nd, which is Gandhi Jayanti, and Mahindra is doing a wonderful job that on 15th August, which is Independence Day, they launched, they revealed the Thar, and on October 2nd, in the tribute or in the remembrance of Mahatma Gandhi, they are launching the Mahindra Thar. So it's such a wonderful, thing from the Indian company. So now let's talk about the color options. Color options for the 2020 Thar comprised of Red Rage, Mystic Copper, Napoli Black, Aquamarine, Galaxy Grey and Rocky Beach. So there are many color options available, and I personally like the design of the car quite a lot. After this video I'll be showing, after my ending I'll be showing you a small video or the trailer video of the car, so that you get a better idea. So that was it in this video. If you like this video, do give this video a like, also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from Auto DNA. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and a very happy Independence Day.